All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Aphrodite level, otherwise known as level number 7, from the Hades CTF labs on HackMyVM.eu. So the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out what's going on inside of this level, and for that we need to take a look at the mission.txt file. So mission number 7, it says user Ariadne knows what we keep in our home. So the target user that we're going to be trying to get the password of is the Ariadne user. So they know what we keep in our home. So if we take a look at the rest of the contents of the directory, we see that there's a home content binary in here. So this binary is a SUID binary, which means it runs with the permissions of its file owner, which is root. And we're assuming that we're going to be able to get access to the Ariadne's user's files with this binary if we can find some way to hack it. So when we run home content, it says the content of your home is this. So we see Ariadne pass.txt, flags, home content, and mission.txt. So this is the current home directory right here. So what we want to do is we want to read Ariadne pass.txt, and this has more to do with home and environment variables, because what this is doing, what the binary is doing, it seems like it's running an ls command on our home, and home is an environment variable. So if you take a look at the environment variable up here, we've got a home environment variable which is equal to pwned/Aphrodite. So the target user in this case is the Ariadne user, so Ariadne pass.txt. And what we can do is we can set our home to something else. So what we can do is we can try to inject a command into the home environment variable. We can do it like this. So export home equals semicolon. So semicolon is going to quit whatever command we're doing, and then we're going to run this command right here, who am I? Because we want to find out if we're actually running as the Ariadne user when we're running this binary. Okay, so after that, we'll run home content again. And it looks like, it looks like we don't get to inject into here. All right, so let's talk about what is actually happening in this level. Okay, so Hades level number 7, this is the Aphrodite user. We're doing environment variable abuse again. And the SUID binary in this level appears to be using the ls command with the target directory equal to the home environment variable. Okay, so our home in this exercise is pwned/Aphrodite. So the SUID is vulnerable to OS command injection through the home environment variable. So export home equals, well, it looks like we have to provide a valid home directory, but we can also inject other commands in here as well. So this is how we do it. So let's see. Export home equals pwned/Aphrodite, and then, I mean, we could try doing like a bin bash, adding on a bin bash here as well. And let me just check the payload. Oh, I see. So everything has to be put inside some quotes in order to not get picked up properly. All right. So after we do this, run home content, and now we're the Ariadne user. So instead of the Aphrodite user, we spawned a shell as the Ariadne user. So who am I, Ariadne? And then we can get the password for that user. Okay, done. Okay, Ariadne. All right, so in this level, the home content SUID binary seems to be using the ls command to show us the contents of the home directory. We can os command inject into the binary by setting a custom home environment variable, and from there we can get a shell as the Ariadne user and then read that user's password. All right, everybody, this was a guided walkthrough for the Aphrodite level, otherwise known as level number 7, from the Hades CTF labs over at HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.